So I've had this speaker for a couple of weeks now, and the way that I seem to do this is keep something for a while and then review it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I've had this for, like I said, probably about a week and a half actually, and I've got some no copyright music here, and I'm just going to put it on now, and I'm going to change the volume a little bit, just give you a little sound test. So, for 20 quid, the sound's actually pretty decent. It actually reminds me of some speakers that I've seen for around sort of 60, 70. It has up to a 5-hour battery life as well. It lasted me so I think I got it like last Tuesday. It lasted till like Sunday, and it's lasted now, which is pretty decent. And I think it's still quite high. So it is a good speaker. It's sort of like a square design sort of thing. But everywhere I've taken it, it sounded good. It's quite small, little squarey, cubey thing. Fits quite easy in a pocket. Just changing the volume there, you can see it handles it quite well. So yeah, to be honest, I would say, for me, like if you was looking for a speaker at that sort of price, then £20 speaker, this is the one to go for. I'm also going to be putting it up against a £3 speaker very, very soon, as long as I've still got that somewhere. Just for the fun of it, I'll put it up against that speaker, and we'll see the difference, hopefully. That's if I've got that speaker. But yeah, so for 20 quid, it is a decent speaker. I love it. It's really good to use in that. So we've had a sound test on that, and the honest thing is that I can really recommend it.